welcome back. I am Julie. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of November 1st through November 7th. So the kit that I'm going to be using this week is one from Planner Kate. I feel like it's been several weeks since I've used a Planner Kate kit, so I'm excited to be back in and using some of these kits. I'm excited about this one because it is kit 354. It's blue. I mean, you guys know I've been kind of talking about how blues are just, you know, I wouldn't say all the rage, but obviously been very popular this season. So yeah, I pretty much ordered the sampler kit, the thick washi. I even grabbed some of the thin washi. I just wasn't sure how I was going to use this, if I was also going to use it in my daily as well. So yeah, grabbed a few extra sheets. So let's just jump right into things. I'm super excited that it is the month of November. I think I talked about this briefly in my monthly plan with me, that this is just one of my favorite months for many, many reasons. So this week is actually also Jesse's birthday week. His birthday is on Friday, so we've got lots of fun things planned for him. And I think, yep, I forgot to move this washi further up. I frequently forget that, but in order for the date covers to work, I have to go up a little bit more. That's not going to be a problem. Let's just put it right about here, I think. That is where it will work. Feels a little crooked, but I think that's going to be okay. My goodness, I just love the blues in here. So yeah, we've got that going on. Obviously, it's also our anniversary month. Excited about that. And yeah, Thanksgiving, of course. We don't have any travel plans or anything like that, but still love this month because it truly, truly feels like fall, especially here in the South, where it doesn't really feel like fall until late November at times. So I'm actually going to take this washi strip and take it all the way across this time because I don't think I'll be using much of the habit trackers in here this time around. I just find myself tracking my habits a little bit better in my daily planning, and that's just how I'm going to keep it for this week as well. I don't want to constantly keep repeating too many things, you know, so that's just kind of where I'm at with those things. I've been loving, speaking of daily planning, I've been loving using the MakseLife daily. They sent out the printable version if you were on their email list, which was just awesome. And I've been printing it out for each day, and I can't wait until it is here. Of course, I will be reviewing it, so you guys will get to see that. And I actually think that my package of those things will either be here on Monday or even possibly Tuesday. I can't even tell you how excited I am. The only dilemma that I'm currently having is figuring out my weekly situation, simply because the MakseLife daily includes the goal setting, and it's not like I'll need two versions of the goal setting system. So that's where I've kind of been like, all right, I know that I'm going to use it for my daily, but do I really need to use it for my weekly? But other than that, it's not anything major. I'm just so ready for that daily to get here. That daily is like the cornerstone of my planning situation. That just, it really, really works for me and keeps me on track. So having a daily that actually works is vital. And that works with stickers if I want to use stickers, all of the pens and markers that I love using, and of course, it's going to be on the amazing MakseLife paper, so I know it's not going to have any issues. So, and I'm sure you guys have seen some pictures floating around already of those that are using it and printing it, and you know, sharing all of their inspiration in the ways that they use it. And that part is just, it's really, really awesome to see that. I love this time of year in the planner community, but then sometimes I'm also like, this is really overwhelming. But I feel like for once I actually have, for the most part, an idea of the direction I'm going to go in to make my planning truly, truly work for me. So, all right, so I want to put the weekend sticker down, and then I think what I'm going to do with not using the habit trackers is just put the full box over here to kind of finish that part off. And I'm just going to kind of bring it up a little bit, and it's still going to have a little bit that I have to cover up, but I think I'm going to put a box over here, one of these decorative boxes, and it'll probably be this one. And then this will be all set for the most part. You can kind of see the little days on there underneath, but you'd have to really, really look. Let's see, I need a this week sticker, and I think I'm just gonna place it on top there, maybe. It does kind of leave a weird space up there, but I think it's kind of okay. That's fine. We'll just put that there and then add some of the checklists, and the sidebar will be all set. And I think I got the vertical checklist. I think I talked about this last week, like if you get the horizontal one, that's the actual check boxes that work with this, but it's really not that big of a deal. You can use whatever and it'll work just fine. I'm just gonna take these first couple boxes off there. There we go, the whole frame of the week is set up. All right, next up we have the videos for the week, and we're gonna start, of course, with this plan with me. And then Wednesday will actually be a vlog. I got to vlog quite a bit yesterday, so I thought that that would be fun to throw that in there. I haven't vlogged in a little bit. So actually no, I think the vlog is going to be on Friday, and Wednesday will be a daily plan with me. It'll be one or the other, that's for sure. Monday's definitely this video, obviously. But I think the plan was to put the vlog on Friday. We'll see. Let's just get some things put down. If it's one or the other, that'll be fine. All right, so we've got that one, and then the daily, maybe. And then Friday's vlog. All right, so that's that for the videos that are gonna go up for this week. Now, as far as work appointments, things are really starting to not feel quite as overwhelming as they were a few weeks ago, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna get those put in, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use these appointment labels simply because I can grab a few more if I need to. All right, then I want to try and go ahead and make some time for working out. And I think what I'm gonna do is what I tried to do last week, and that is use these flag labels. Now, working out did not go as planned this past week. I'm still kind of, I don't wanna say like flying solo at work, but one of my coworkers is not in office, and so it has put like a little bit more on me, which is fine, but it has been a little bit stressful. So when I've gotten home, I have not really felt like doing a whole lot, to be quite honest. So I am still, however, making it a goal of mine to at least schedule time for movement, and hopefully this week makes it a lot better. I've also made a slight adjustment to my work schedule to give myself a bigger break in the middle of the day, and that has kind of been helping with all of that. So that's been pretty awesome. But I've really missed being on the bike. We've done like some other things like meditations or like HIIT workouts, and it's just not the same. I really want to get back on the bike, especially because the bike was pricey. All right, I've got those down. On Tuesday night, I do want to spend some time editing there. That's going to be my focus that night, and then the same thing on Thursday evening for Friday's video. So it's Halloween day when I'm filming this, and normally I can get like 2 videos done on a Sunday evening, like edited and ready to go. It's just not going to be realistic with us giving out candy to trick-or-treaters to be able to do all of that. So it will get done. So I'm going to use 2 of these playlist kind of play stickers or YouTube stickers from Planner Kate, and also grab my editing stickers. I'm starting to run out of the capital letters one. I know that it's not like a really big deal, but for me, I just like the way that it looks better with capital letters on there. I'm also thinking like back to the workout thing, if it would be better for me to actually just go ahead and start scheduling classes so I can feel a little bit more accountable. I don't know what's going to work, but you guys will have to let me know if you use the Peloton program, system, bike, whatever. Do you schedule your classes? Because what I tend to do is just hop on and see what's on and what I feel like doing at that moment, and maybe trying something different could help me be a little bit more consistent. So always willing to try new things. All right, Friday night is going to be our movie night because of course that is Jesse's birthday. We are going to see The Eternals. I don't know how excited I am to go see this movie, but it's family time, so that part is definitely exciting. Oh, and I realized I have a movie night sticker. Like, why write it down, right, when I have a sticker? Let's get these stickers used up. All right, so there we go. Running low on those, but love these. All right, there is that. And then the only other big thing happening this coming weekend is that I want to get our Christmas tree put up. Yes, I'm one of those people. No, I am not sorry. I talked about this in a previous plan with me, and what we do is, or what I like to do really, I don't think my family really cares. This is more just me. But I like to put, we have a pre-lit tree. I like to put it up with just the lights on. I don't actually decorate it until after Thanksgiving. I love having the tree up. I really don't care if it's not decorated. I love a tree with some white lights on it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, and then just a few other things that I want to get done is to do some meal planning. I'm trying to figure out which sticker I could use for that. I don't think it really matters at this point, but let's see. Go ahead and use this one because I typically do our meal planning on Saturday morning. And then for Saturday night is going to be some planner time, and that's typically when I will plan out my content for the next week, take any notes that I need to take, and also just check on everyone's calendar in my family to see what it is that I'll have to prepare for my actual planning time. All right, on Sunday, we are going to go get some groceries. I think I'm going to try and use some of these blue skinny labels. Although this sticker is probably going to swallow up that entire sticker. That's fine. All right, there's that. And then on Sunday afternoon, I'm going to film a few videos. I'm probably also going to vlog one day this week. I just have to figure out exactly which day that is. It will most definitely not be on Friday. I really don't want to be vlogging when it's Jesse's birthday. I don't really think he would care for that too much. It's just not his thing, which is totally fine. All right, there's that, and make sure I film a couple videos there. I could get it done on Saturday. However, I'm trying to leave some time open on Saturday because I really need to take my car in for a service, but I don't know what time they'll be able to get me in on Saturday. So the Christmas tree will kind of work around when that's going to happen. All right, so that is it for this week's plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.